Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Currently I'm standing in Larina port at Siquijor Island. Right now 7 pm. I'm leaving to Dumagadan city. In this holiday, I give only one day to explore Siquijor Island. That is a poor planning in my part. I have to say it, this is not the only mistake I made so far. I will explain that in a moment. This is the passenger manifest. You have to write your name and the contact information. After that, you have to go to the passenger deck, which is located in second level. Today I explore this island more than 5 places, which is fantastic. I'm never going to forget in my life. I recommend all those places for you guys. At the same time, this island offer more than 22 activities, so it is really not justified when I do only 5 activities. That's what I'm trying to say. That means one day is not enough. You need at least 4 to 5 days. Then only you can enjoy all the activities in the island. That gives justification to this island. Otherwise, it looks like not fulfilled, so you need to come back again. That's the situation. So I highly recommend this island for you guys, but you have to plan at least 4 to 5 days. You will enjoy it. Alright, let me explain the plan for tomorrow. At the same time, you will come to know my poor planning. It is cost me tonight almost 2000 pesos. Currently 7 pm. I'm in Larina port. So my plan is I want to go Dumagadan port. Then tomorrow I supposed to visit Oppo Island. This Oppo Island, it was very small, at the same time famous for sea turtle. In this island, so many sea turtles there. If you want to see sea turtle, this is the island. So I highly recommend it. So I started my journey from Larina port. 2 hours ferry ride. I reached Dumagadan city almost like 9 o'clock. According to the situation, the best choice is I should stay in the night in the city. That is the best choice, because in the city there is a plenty of room available. You can find lot of cheaper room according to your budget, and it is very easy also. But my poor decision making, I want to stay nearby Maladape port, which is close to the Oppo Island. So I went to the bus station. I took a bus. The bus journey is at 10:30 pm. I almost traveled 25 km. They dropped me at the highway close to the Maladape port. But that point is almost like 11 pm. There is no one there around the area. The place is totally pitch black. Even the guest house, there is nobody in the reception, because the custom over there, after 9, the reception leave the place, then come back the next day morning. That is the custom. So when I reach there, all the guest house, all the place which I can stay are closed. So I don't know what to do. I'm thinking we can walk back almost like 1 kilometer. Maybe I can find some place to stay for tonight. So I started to walk back. In that time, I was realized I made a very big mistake. At the same time, the surroundings on the highway is too much of coconut trees and nobody I cannot see as far as I can see. So I start walking backwards. When I reach 100 meter, small group of people having party on the road, drinking themselves, having good time. When I saw them, at that point, I'm really scared, but I didn't talk to them. I just walked across by them. Then still I walking further, almost like another 500 meter. I couldn't find any place to stay. So I decided to get a help from them. When I walked back to them, I asked for the help. Luckily, one of the guy in the group haven't drink anything. He ready to help. So he took his bike and me and him right back to the port area, looking for the hotel to stay for tonight. We almost traveling 3 kilometers this side. We went to couple of places. The result is same. No one in the reception. Suddenly, the guy who helped me, he remembered one of his friend's friend own a resort. The resort name is Sweetwater Resort. He know the house of the owner, So we decided to go to the house in the middle of the night, knock the door. When we knocked the door, the owner was wake up and open the door. She was a lady. We were surprised. She was very brave and she received us and she told me the only room is available is 2000 pesos. So it cost me very badly. At the same time, I don't have any choice. I have no choice at 12 a.m. So I took the choice and stay over there. The guy who drive me around, I tried to give some money, but he's a really good guy. He say, I just want to help you. I don't want any money. He never even give his name. He just went back. So this is the information, guys. When you travel in the night, you must have a reservation where to stay for the night. Otherwise, you'll end up like this. At the same time, after 9 o'clock, if you're nearby the city, please stay over there. Don't roam around like me. That is very important thing. Please keep this in mind. Otherwise, you will lose unnecessarily money like this. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below. At the same time, subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I see you guys in next video.